Hello and welcome to the tutorial about the maintenance of the user interface of your configurator with the INKAS cockpit. Using the layouter, you maintain the visible area of your configurator by configuring it in the layouter. The UI of the eBike configurator tool for users to customize. The current one is always shown in Toolbar. Modified version of the configurator's edit. Clicking on Layout Editor button gives access to extra editing views. Under Layout Preview, I find the test view. The settings that are currently being employed or utilized. Search by keyword using search bar. Locate a characteristic or an expression. With the pen, you can add a text field. You can delete it using the trash can. With the picture, a static image can be added. Select image from database. Choose here. There are tabs positioned below the toolbar area. Tabs are the control panels that represent different areas of the configurator. Here, for example, there are the areas of design, saddle, mechanics, gears, and more. But I can also add additional tabs using the plus sign. Adjust feature representation using pen. For example, how many columns visible later. Only one needed, as all features are stacked on top. Here you can also adjust feature alignment. I can delete them at any time with the cross. Features are components of these control panels that the user can adjust. Features can be easily dragged. Rearrange and drag items to adjust display order on the screen. When I select a feature, a window opens on the right. For example, in the wheel diameter feature, I can select display types or set value order. Feature components determine the order in which the button and the name are displayed. I can determine which information is visible through editing. Now I'm dragging the feature components to edit. Proceed by moving the widget forward and pressing the OK button. Preview will show this change. Firstly the widget, subsequently the name. Value components determine what is shown for each individual value. If the scope should not be visible, I have the ability to set this via editing. As you can see, the scope is no longer visible. With the left arrow, the shelf opens. The shelf is like a storage for existing features. Features done, ready for utilization. Shelf is stored or placed on the screen. If a feature is not present on the canvas, it will not be visible to the user. Characteristics can be dragged and dropped from the canvas or onto the canvas. Therefore, I have the ability to conveniently make adjustments to the order as well, ensuring flexibility and ease of customization according to specific requirements and preferences. Now I'm done with care, and can save the version in the toolbar. Under Layout Template, I can optionally create a subordinated tab bar. When I configure a system, I can conveniently maintain the characteristics of individual product components. That was the tutorial on maintaining the user interface of your configurator with the INKAS cockpit layouter. Thank you for watching and have fun configuring.